Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we talk about tech and all things related tech. If you've been thinking about creating your own website to sell products and services online, Shopify is one of the best platforms to get started. And in this video, I'll be walking you through simple steps to build your own professional Shopify website from the get-go. So let's jump right into it. First thing you need to do is to head over to shopify.com. That's the official website. You can simply search for it on your browser. And after you land on the website, you can select Start Free Trial. This is your first step to getting started with your website. And once you've done that, you can select the email address that you're going to work with on Shopify. And for this example, I'm just going to select one of my email addresses and then we can proceed to the next step. Shopify is an all-in-one e-commerce platform, and that's perfect for beginners and user-friendly, and also packed with features and offers 24/7 support. So that comes in handy if you're a new beginner with your work and your business. So here you are prompted with a follow-up onboarding questions. If you'd like, you can simply skip them or you can go ahead and answer these questions and proceed to the next stage. As you can see, you would have to select a paid version after the trial version is finished. So with that in mind, we're going to skip that stage and proceed to see how we can navigate through the website and create our own shop. The first thing you'll need to do is to pick a theme for your website. You can go over to the online store option on the left side of your screen, and there you would be able to access the different options Shopify offers. You have free versions and you also have paid options. For now, we're going to go through the free options and select something that is going to resonate with the product that we're going to offer. This is completely up to you. Selecting a theme is something that has to do with the product and service that you're offering. For this example, I'm going to select the crafts option and select add to have it selected as my website theme. Once the theme is loaded, you can select publish and again confirm by selecting publish, and this will apply the theme to your Shopify website. Going on forward, you would have to customize that selected theme. You can adjust colors, fonts, layouts, and add images to make it more unique and also presentable. So by selecting customize, you would be able to proceed to the customizing option for your website select theme. As you can see on the left side of your screen, you're provided with a tool panel. Here you can make different adjustments. If you'd like to make changes to the sections of your website, you can select the first option and you'd be provided with each section and their subsets. So you can maneuver around here and make changes to the announcement bar, to your header, or else to other contents as well. By selecting each, you'd be able to make changes. If you'd like to change the general theme setting, you can select the second option, and that will provide you with a set of tools by which you can make changes to the color, typography, or add logo onto your website. To just illustrate the process, if you'd like to add a logo, you can simply select logo and proceed to the next step, by which you open up a dialog box where you can add image from your computer. Since we've already done that, I'm going to select the logo and then click on done so that we would have it displayed on our website. Going on forward, if you'd like to add sections onto your website, you can hover over the middle of the different sections and an add section button is going to pop up. Once you click that, you'd be provided with the different types of sections that you can add onto your website. For instance, if we would like to add an image banner, we can select image banner and that's going to automatically populate onto our website. Here we can also make adjustments onto the image. If you would like to alter the image, you can select the image icon here and you can select whichever image you would like to have the website. All right, that's in a nutshell how you can make subtle changes onto the website. And once you're done, you can select save on the right top side of your screen, and that's it. Your edits will be saved onto your website. Once your theme is all set up, you can proceed to the next step that's going to be essential to launch your online store. By navigating to the home icon on your display, you're able to access a step-by-step guide that's provided by Shopify itself. Going through this step-by-step guide is going to be essential so that you would set up certain settings for your shop and make it available and business ready. First things first, you are able to add a product. By selecting add product, you can see that you're provided with a space where you can add your first product. Here you would add a title to your product, some descriptions, and add an image to portray that product, and also make adjustments to the pricing and some other details that are related with shipping as well. You can optimize its searchability by adding more tags and collection names, and going on forward. Once you're done with that, you can hit save, and that's it. You have uploaded your first product. Going on forward, you would add a domain name for your website. This is a very essential step. So by clicking on add domain on the right side of your screen, you'd be able to access the domain settings section. Here you can buy a new domain if you have not already been registered, or else if you have a registered domain, you can select on connect existing domain, enter your domain address here and select next. With this in mind, you would have your Shopify account connected to a domain and you would be ready to go to the next step. Here, you would be requested to provide a name for your store, and by clicking Name Store, you open up a new dialog box by which you can add a name and contact address for your store, including email address. Once you're done, you can click on Save, and that will have it published. So these would be the general settings that you would have to go through. And as you add more products, you will definitely be able to make it more presentable. So for now, as you can see, the product that we've added has been already listed. That's pretty much it on how you can create your website on Shopify. And if you'd like to review your website, you can select View Your Store, and that's going to guide you through the website that you've worked on and the image and the products that you have added. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and we'll see you on the next one.